Hi viewers, welcome to linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Gmusicbrowser on Linux Mint-18.3. Gmusicbrowser is a customizable and open source graphic browser. It is a powerful graphical browser which supports libraries with a very large number of songs, and then it can be used multiple inputs and has supports for MP3, OGG and FLAC files. Okay, now let us see how to install Gmusicbrowser on Linux Mint-18.3. Okay, now first of all we have to add the repository of Gmusicbrowser. Hit enter and continue. Then before starting installation, you should update our system repository using the apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the Gmusicbrowser. Now installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Gmusicbrowser. The application is on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see Gmusicbrowser. Now we can able to use this application. Now we have to check the version of Gmusicbrowser. Here we can see the version of Gmusicbrowser 1.1.15.2. Thus we have seen how to install Gmusicbrowser on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.